Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to insert table of figures in WPS Word. So let's get started the video. First, ensure that you have inserted captions for the figures or images, charts in your document. If you don't, then select the figure you want to caption. Go to the References tab, click on Insert Caption. Choose the caption type, figure or table, and enter the text. Click OK to insert the caption. Once you are done with caption, place your cursor where you want the table of figures to appear. Go to the Reference tab again. Click on Insert Table of Figures. In the dialog box that appears, you can select options for how the table will look like. Choose the caption label, figure images you want to include. Adjust the formatting and styles as desired. Now click OK to insert the table of figures into your document. And here is your table of figures. Now if you press Ctrl and click on any figure, it will navigate to that figure. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.